Well, welcome back. It's a piece of cypress wood and kind of just roughed out drawing of a couple, it's a European style old saw. We're going to cut these two things out. I have to cut down a couple bandsaw blades to make the blades to fit these. We'll get at it and get started and hack these things out. Well, I roughed them both out on the bandsaw, your handle, and this will actually get mortised onto this end with a loose mortise so it can move a little bit. The blade will fit between there, and then from here to here, I'll put a piece of cord across there so I can tension the blade. But this one's got a little more curve than that one. But we'll round everything over with the router and sand everything down and start mortising and all that. I'll bring you back and show you the progress. Well, I'm making progress. Now you got a picture the blade will go from here to here, and there'll be a cord or a wire that goes from there to there to tension that blade. And I made my tenon a little bit loose so that it'll rock to tension that blade. But we got more sanding to do. Get this sanding done. Drill a hole there and there. And then down here we'll have to drill a hole and slot it to put the blade in. And the same with this one. I had two of these that I cut out, and I decided I just don't like the way the other one curved up here. And I like this one better, so I'm only doing one. Well, I'm making good progress. Rubbed her down with some Danish oil. I want it rustic looking, so I didn't get real crazy on the sanding. Got the slots cut in here for the blade. Holes are drilled to put in the tensioning cord. Now I have to go outside here and grab an old bandsaw blade. I have some that don't fit the bandsaws that I own, so they're fine to cut up. We'll get one cut to length, drill the holes in it, then drill the two holes in the saw to hold it. Put the cord on, tension it, and we'll go give this a test run when I get it all done. Well, there she is. Prototype's finished. There's a couple things I want to change on this. I'm not going to show it in this video. Maybe I'll do an update. Look for some cord that don't stretch quite as much as that one. I mean, it still works, but I want something that don't stretch as much. And I'm going to change this blade out. Those teeth are pretty aggressive on it. You can cut with this, but it takes a little bit to get going. So I got some with a little bit less aggressive teeth. So I'm going to need to make some extra blades anyhow, so I'm going to do that. But basic concepts there. And it's based on an old European saw I seen. So there you have it. Hey, thanks for following along. And when I make a couple blades and find a different cord for on there, maybe I'll give you an update. Hey, be safe, be warm.